Will you test this product? Hi guys, today I'll be revealing another product for testing. It's an AliExpress product, but the advantage of this product that it has US shipping available, and I think it is a problem-solving product and a great alternative to expensive braces. This store is selling it for $15 plus shipping. I'll also show you a Facebook ad that this store is running. Here's the ad, as you can see. So that's it guys, I gave you the idea. Let me know in the comment what do you think of this product, and would you test it? If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and I will bring more videos like this. Thank you for watching.